In a quiet park, an old wooden bench sat beneath a huge peepal tree. Every morning, a little boy named Aarav walked by, always noticing the bench but never sitting on it. One day, he saw an old man struggling to stand. Without thinking, Aarav ran to help him. The old man smiled and said, "You're the first person today who stopped." Aarav looked around. Dozens of people were walking with earphones, busy on phones, rushing past, nobody noticing anyone else. The old man gently tapped the bench and said, "The world isn't short of good people, just people who look up long enough to care." Aarav sat beside him. They talked, laughed, shared stories. For the first time, Aarav realized something: kindness doesn't always need money, age, or strength, just a moment. From that day on, Aarav made a rule: every day, help one person. Even if it's small. Soon, other people saw them, and slowly, more and more stopped to help others. The old bench didn't change the world. But the boy who paused for a moment did.